Abhidhamma Pitaka, Book of Dhammasangani, Metrics of Triad, Tikamadika, which are the mental states that are unwholesome. Katame Dhamma Akusala. Whatever action committed, bodily, verbally, mentally, when the skandhas of feeling, Vedana, perception, Sanya, volition, Sankara or Chetana, consciousness, Vijnana, associated with the unwholesome roots, lust, lobha, hate, dvesa, delusion, moha, and vices that are united with them, are the mental states that are unwholesome. Ime Dhamma Akusala.